Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy air fryer country style pork ribs in the air fryer or Ninja Foodi. They're very easy to make and they're ready to serve in just about 25 minutes. So we are going to get started with this easy recipe. Now first you will want to get boneless country style pork ribs. We used about 2 pounds of these. Seasoning of your choice, this can be steak seasoning. I like to use Head Country barbecue seasoning, and then the barbecue sauce of your choice as well. Again, I really like the apple habanero from Head Country. That's what we used for these ribs, but you can use whatever seasoning and sauce you prefer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. So you're just going to preheat that, and then while that's preheating, you can go ahead and work on getting the ribs ready. The first thing you're going to do is use the seasoning and just season those ribs. So you can let that sit on there for a few minutes too. So there's the Head Country seasoning. That's the one that I used. And I just sprinkle these on there. So you can do this while it's preheating, or you can do this earlier and let that seasoning soak in for an hour or two before you decide to cook them. And I did use smaller ribs here. Normally I use long pork ribs, but these are a bit smaller. And then also coat them with barbecue sauce. And you only really need to coat it on one side. Whenever you flip them in the air fryer, you can coat the other side. So I'm just finishing coating these, and then I'm going to carefully place them inside the preheated air fryer. And I went ahead and sprayed mine with some cooking spray. I like olive oil cooking spray. There's kind of controversy on if you should use that one or not because of the smoke point. It's up to your personal preference. If you want a higher smoke point, grapeseed is a good oil to use for this as well. So you can go ahead and put those in the air fryer, and then you're just going to cook them for 20 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you want to go ahead and turn them after 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, turn the ribs, and then at that point you can add more barbecue sauce if you'd like as well. What we're going for here is an internal temperature of at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, but I actually like to get these up to about 160 before we serve them. I feel like it gets them more tender, so that's what I'm going for here. So right now I've got them all cooked. They do shrink a little bit, and since I use shorter ribs, that's why they look shorter. But normally I do use longer ones, but these worked out perfect for our kids too. So the internal temperature for these has reached 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them. And we actually served these with air fryer baked potatoes, which you can make in the air fryer too. All you do with those is put them in at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. So I usually use another air fryer and cook those while these are cooking. So I will show a video soon of how to do those, but they're really easy. You can do them basically without a video. They're easy to do. So that's the inside of these country style pork ribs. They were tender, juicy, delicious, and full of flavor. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these air fryer country style ribs in just 25 minutes. If you like this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next one. And you can also find this recipe and more over on my websites, airfryerfanatics.com or mommyhatescooking.com. Thanks so much for joining in today.